Namaskar. Today I will bring to you a tea recipe which would cleanse your liver and blood vessels. Our liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for processing nutrients and filter out toxins, while our blood vessels transport essential nutrients and oxygen to all the parts of our body. It is essential to keep both of them functioning optimally to maintain good health. Well, one of the best ways you can achieve this is by using a natural and effective combination of Punarnava tea, which is made with Punarnava powder and ginger. Punarnava is a herb commonly used in the Ayurveda to help cleanse and detoxify liver, soothe inflammation, and stimulate white blood cells. Available in any Ayurveda shop in tablet form or in powder form. Ginger helps reducing blood pressure and cholesterol level, which are both an important factors in maintaining healthy blood vessels. Ginger also has a blood thinning effect, which can help to prevent blood clot and improve blood flow. To prepare Punarnava tea, you will need 1 teaspoon of Punarnava powder, 1 inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a few mint leaves. First, boil water in a vessel and add ginger. Also add mint leaves and Punarnava powder. Allow it to boil for a while and then switch off the flame. Pour the mixture into a cup. Add lemon juice and consume it immediately. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C, which helps to support a healthy immune system, and mint leaves have a refreshing flavor to the tea. This healing tea can be taken on an empty stomach or 1 hour before or 1 hour after meals. So you can have it early in the morning or before going to sleep. Drink this tea regularly to clear your liver as well as blood vessels naturally. Remember, a healthy body leads to a happy life, and taking care of our organs and blood vessels is one of the best ways to achieve this. Namaskar.